What's up everyone, we're Granite Spoon and today we are gonna be making morning glory muffins, is that right?
Muffins.
Muffins, that's right. But first, we're at the Jacksonville Zoo and we are looking at all the fun exhibits that Mateo loves, starting with the alligators.
His very, very favorite.
Oh, look at that alligator, he's moving.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh my goodness, what if he jumped?
So most Saturday mornings we like to start at the zoo because we have a membership and Mateo likes it. We get to be outdoors.
And we're awake anyway.
And we're awake anyway because he wakes up at what time?
5, 6. Since we wake up so early in the morning, we like to have the muffins just to grab and take. Butter. Little bit of butter.
All right, so we're back at the house now and we're gonna start making these muffins.
First, we're gonna start by making oat flour. Oh, careful, Bubby. We're gonna...
Bubby?
Bubby.
I'm not Bubby.
I know you're not Bubby, you're Teo.
I'm not Bubby, I'm Teo.
I don't know why I called him Bubby. All right, so we're gonna make oat flour by putting a cup of oats into our Vitamix and just grind it really good into just like flour consistency.
Next up, we're gonna pour the oat flour into a bucket.
A bowl.
A bucket. Bowl. Why do I keep calling it a bucket? It's a bowl. It's not a bucket. It's oat.
Oat.
Oat flour.
Oat flour.
That's correct.
So the recipe calls for 3/4 cup of flour. You want to air it out, kind of fluff it up, overfill it, and then level it out. Ideally, bakers want to measure and weigh the flour, but this is, if you don't have a scale, it does the job.
So now we're gonna grate 2 carrots.
Hold it tight. You ready?
Yeah.
So now I'm gonna grate the zucchini. Teo's gonna hold it steady for me. And after I grate it, we're just gonna squeeze it and get the extra moisture out.
A teaspoon of baking soda.
We're separating the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients.
Now we're gonna add a teaspoon of
Cinnamon.
cinnamon.
A 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg.
1/4 teaspoon of salt.
Yeah.
Was that a yawn?
Yeah.
You're so tired. I know you are, buddy boy. So we are halfway through here, but it's Mateo's bedtime. He's gonna take a bath and then we're gonna put him down and we're gonna continue cooking and we're gonna make the rest of this. Mommy's getting bath right now ready. And does that sound good?
No.
Yes. So Mateo went down to bed and Mommy and Daddy...
Like a champ.
Like a champ.
Ah,
oh my gosh, that was so perfect.
hallelujah.
He was tired. So now we get to finish this video and cook, and in the morning we're gonna let him try these.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna wake you up at 6 in the morning so you
can't
can see
wait.
that.
Oh my god! I could pick a time. It'd be like 4, 5, 6. But he'll try these in the morning, which will be great.
A really good hack I do is when I have overripe bananas, I peel them and freeze them.
Oh, that looks very yummy, appetizing.
It tastes better than it looks.
It smells really good, to be honest. Now we need a 1/3 cup of coconut oil.
It's a 1/3 cup of coconut oil, but I figured a little bit of butter might make it taste good too. Just a little bit of extra fat.
A 1/3 cup of agave. Now we're gonna add 2 eggs. And just because we have it, we're gonna do a box of raisins.
All right, I'll be adding the banana. Now I'm gonna stir it up.
Now this doesn't look very
Yeah, it does.
appetizing.
I'd eat it right now.
Ugh. But it looks so much better when it's in its muffin form. All right, so we have these little bitty itty bitty mini. We have these itty bitty ones. And then we have the big ones for us. But he likes the little cupcakes. And Daddy likes these. The big guns. The Big Daddy cupcake holes.
I'm gonna roughly chop some pecans just because we have them. We could do it without.
So we're adding the dry, slowly mix in, then adding a little more, and then mixing that. And we forgot one step. We forgot to add the vanilla, so we're gonna go ahead and add the vanilla now. What are we about to do? We're gonna add the liners.
We're gonna add the mini liners.
The mini liners.
Mini liners to the mini cupcake tin. I'm gonna scoop the muffin mixture into the liners. You know, baking soda was invented because the inventor's wife was allergic to eggs. So he came up with baking soda. Oh. Baking soda was an invention out of love.
So now we're gonna put them in the oven for 20 minutes at 350.
It's on convection, you don't need to bake as long, and they're smaller. So we're just do like the toothpick test. We don't have toothpicks, so we're gonna do the knife test, okay? All right, so now we're gonna add pecans to our batch.
Yes, because Mateo is asleep. I meant to say, because Mateo does not like pecans. He literally will...
Pecans. Pecans is what you put under your bed.
Pecans. These pecans are gonna go in our batch because Mateo does not like the, I guess, the texture, and he spits them out, so.
They look pretty resin. They're clean.
Now we're gonna line the big muffin tin.
The big muffin tin?
Big muffin tin. Now we're gonna fill these with some of the muffin batter. We're gonna put these in the oven now.
For 20 minutes.
For 20 minutes.
The mini muffins turned out to be more 15.
Yes, mini muffins 15 minutes, not 20 minutes. I said 20 minutes in the beginning. So we just took them out of the oven, and now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and poke them to see if they're ready. And what are we looking for when you stab this thing?
A clean fork.
A clean fork. So if it comes out and the fork has a little bit of that stuff on it, it's not ready.
A little bit's okay. You can just tell if it's like goopy.
True.
So if you like, it's clean.
It's clean.
People use toothpicks. We ain't got one.
We don't, yeah, we ain't got no toothpicks.
I can't believe how cheap we are.
We have our Morning Glory muffin right here, and it looks like, you know, a muffin. How would you describe that?
It looks like a healthy muffin.
It's actually kind of hot right now. We're gonna wait for it to cool off. Here it is. We're peeling it back, presenting it to you.
But if it was cool, it would just peel off easy.
Sure. Just cheers it.
Because it's moist.
Ooh, I love it.
Sweet and nutty.
Oh my god, he's gonna love it. Yeah, it's like, it really is like carrot cake. The only thing this is missing is some frosting on top of it.
I have cream cheese.
You do have cream cheese, don't you? You ready for your muffin?
Yeah.
Are you excited about your muffin?
Yeah.
Good morning. Good morning. Well, it's about 6:30 in the morning, and Mateo is ready for his muffin now, isn't he? You ready for your muffins?
Yeah.
All right.
I wake up with a muffin.
Wake up as muffins, yeah. It's 6:30, I'm tired.
Swear your love is ecstasy.
Good? Yeah. You put too much in your mouth, didn't you? Wow! Wow!
Cheers to the cupcake.
Cheers. Cheers. Thanks for watching, everyone. We obviously devoured that muffin. We loved it.
You can make it a lot prettier if you put like little oats on top. I did that one time. Or a little piece of pecan. But I think that the best touch was the ripe banana. I will die on that hill.
Yeah.
Let's go to bed.
Yeah. All right. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. And if you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Like us, because we like you.
That's right. Oh, you can't top that, can you? All right, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.